how to fix Waze no GPS showing appropriate location. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can fix Waze no GPS showing appropriate location. Now, first thing I want you to notice that whenever Waze is asking you or is showing or is displaying no GPS showing appropriate locations, it means that it's asking you for access to your device's location. That is, it wants you to grant it access to your location. So the next thing for you to do is to go to your settings, that is your app settings, and enable location, that is grant Waze access or permission to use your location. And how do you go about this? Just exit the app and go to your settings. And then once you go to your settings, just go ahead and click on location. Okay, click on location. And then on your location, you will see the list of apps that you've granted access to use your location. You see the list of apps that you've granted access to use your location. And if you notice that Waze app is not on it, just go ahead and click on app access to location. There's app access to location. App access to location is located above Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. Just click on it. Now, before I go on, I would like to inform you that this settings is peculiar to the type of device or the type of phone that you're using. If on your phone device, yours is not like this, do not panic or do not feel like this tutorial is not for you. It is for you. Just ensure that you go to your location settings on your device and then allow Waze or grant Waze permission to use your location settings. Once that is done, to stop showing GPS, whatever. But once you do that and then you notice that it's still showing that, you can just go ahead to clear your phone's cache as your device's cache storage. And afterwards, you can also reach out to the Waze contact support, and eventually it will be sorted out. But if you follow these basic procedures, definitely it will stop showing you or displaying no GPS showing appropriate location. So this is how to fix that problem. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.